Hello kids, welcome back to challenge. Today learn numbers counting. It's the color's name. Blue color, blue color. Yellow color, yellow color. Red color, red color. Yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Brown color, brown color. Green color, green color. Kids, now we're coloring numbers. It's first you draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use blue color. O-N-E-1. Kids, again use blue color and draw 2. The numbers of 2. T, W or 2. Kids, now I draw 3. The numbers of 3. And use yellow color. T, H, R, W, 3. It's again use yellow color and draw 4. The numbers of 4. F, O, U, R, 4. It's now I draw 5. The numbers of 5. And use red color. Red color. F, I, V, E, 5. Kids, again use red color and draw 6. The numbers of 6. S, I, X, 6. Kids, now draw 7. The numbers of 7. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. The numbers of 7. Kids, again use yellow ochre color and draw 8. The numbers of 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. The numbers of 8. Kids, now draw 9. The numbers of 9. And use brown color. Brown color. Kids, again use brown color and draw 10. The numbers of 10. T, E, and 10. Kids, now draw 11. The numbers of 11. And use green color. Green color. Kids, again use green color and draw 12. The numbers of 12. Kids, now draw 13. The numbers of 13. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. Kids, now draw 15. The numbers of 15. And here's yellow color. Yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw 16. The numbers of 16. Kids, now draw 17. The numbers of 17. And use red color. Red color. Kids, again use red color and draw 18. The numbers of 18. Kids, now draw 19. The numbers of 19. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow color and draw 20. The numbers of 20. Kids now write 21. The numbers of 21. And use brown color. Brown color. The numbers of 21. Kids now write 22. The numbers of 22. And use green color. Green color. Kids again use green color and draw 23. The numbers of 23. Kids now write 24. The numbers of 24. And use red color. Red color. Blue color. The numbers of 24. And use blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw 25. The numbers of 25. Kids now write 26. The numbers of 26. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw 27. The numbers of 27. Kids now write 28. The numbers of 28. And use red color. Red color. Kids again use red color and draw 29. The numbers of 29. Kids now write 30. The numbers of 30. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 31. The numbers of 31. Kids now write 32. The numbers of 32. And use green color. Green color. Kids again use green color and draw 33. The numbers of 33. Kids now write 34. The numbers of 34. And use brown color. Brown color. Kids again use brown color and lastly draw 35. The numbers of 35. Kids, today you draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.